I was kind of surprised how happy I was with the Rambler. And for all its shortcomings, there's in my world there's always a full-sized Swiss Army knife close at hand in a bag in the car, and in the office. Just because you're carrying a small knife doesn't mean that you're tied to it. But it is bloody useful to have in your pocket. Oh, there's my SIM card remover, which lives underneath the multi-tool. I love this thing. Everybody loves it. Oh, why? It's really only a Phillips with a cap lifter that doesn't get used. And anyway, so that's that. So after several months of going around with this, I bought the Swiss Champ, which I noticed is really only the sort of scissor layer thicker than the Rambler, which surprised me. I thought it was chunkier than that. Gee, the scales are chunky because it's got this where is it? It's got the pen thing, which, yeah, I mean, that might come in useful, I don't know. But I mean, obviously not gonna review all of that. Is on the that's on the Rambler. So with this you get the indispensable Coke spoon. They call this a measuring. I would call this a depth gauge. Metric imperial with the screwdriver. Again, that's on the Rambler. You get this thing, package opener, orange peeler, I don't know. I might sharpen up the back side of that so as it's a more effective auger, I don't know. There's a Warncliffe blade, very good, and the file with a pokey thing on the end of it. So I mean, there really isn't that much more stuff on here than the Rambler, but what can I say? It's Christmas and I like nice things. Oh, the postman also brought me that, which I got because why not? It's the Floral. I thought they were discontinuing these, but it appears I am misinformed. But it doesn't matter. It'll be useful for cheese or apples, or without gumming up the main blade on a better knife. But there you go. That's the latest additions. See you later.